Mic check 1 2 1 2. What's good, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, man. It's your boy Tank be chopping, back with another haircut video. Check it out, man. On this video, we're gonna be doing not really a tutorial, but I'm gonna be walking through some of my steps. But we basically gonna be talking about this TPOB Play Mini Clipper, right? It's the TPOB Play Mini Clipper. A lot of y'all been asking me about it. A lot of y'all been asking me to do a video with it. So you know what I'm saying? TPOB sent me this clipper a while back. I used it a little bit, but I didn't really use it too much. So I said, you know what? Let me pull it back out and get some content for y'all and talk about it a little bit on a video, right? So as y'all can see, I'm debulking my client's hair. We are going to be doing a mid fade. I started off with a number 3 guard, and now I'm following that up with a number 2 guard. And as y'all can see, man, that's not having any issue getting that hair down, right? Let me be 100% honest with y'all. This TPOB Play Mini Clipper, it's a good tool. You know what I'm saying? If you like the TPOB brand, if you like the TPOB brand, you know, this might be a clipper for you. I personally do like the ergonomics of this clipper a little more than the original Play, just because, you know, it just feels a little more comfortable in my hand. So I really like using it, right? Power on is good. The motor on is good. I like the blade that it comes with. I know a lot of people like that chunk blade. You know, blades are really just personal preference. But me personally, I don't mind the blade that comes on it, right? But nonetheless, as y'all can see, we bought it out my client. I am using the saber trimmer, and I know y'all may come at me in the comments, but hey, the saber trimmer is my personal favorite trimmer, so that's why I'm using that to bought out, and then I'm just, you know, following that up with the shaver. But once that is done, we're gonna move back into this haircut using that TPOB Play Mini Clipper. And as y'all can see here, I got my lever open. I'm setting in my first, or I guess my second guideline, as y'all can see. And I keep my steps the same. A lot of people ask me, like, how do I fade? Do I switch it up when I use different clippers? For the most part, I keep my system the same. I keep the same system intact. That way, it's really not too much of a learning curve when I'm trying out new clippers. Sometimes you will have to adjust to the clipper a little bit, but with this clipper, I really didn't have to, you know, there really wasn't a learning curve just because it feels like a traditional clipper that I've already used, right? So I did my clipper open, my 1 guard open. Now I'm using my 2 guard, blending into the bulk, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna fade all this down. That is typically the way I do most of my haircuts, or at least my fades. I do my tapers a little different, but for my fades, I like to set in my guidelines and then come back in and fade them out. But as y'all can see, man, this Play Clipper really isn't having no issue doing what I needed to do. You know, I'm not saying that it's blended yet, but as y'all can see, it's looking pretty faded, right? Like you can see the steps, you can see where the transition's gonna be. I am using my 1.5 guard right now, blending that 1 guard open section into the 2 guard section. Using a little bit of corner blending. You know, you got to use that corner when you're trying to blend, when you're trying to make everything look blurry. And then I'm reverting back to my number 1 guard open, using some more corner blending. Like I said, man, corner blending is going to be a really good tool you can use when you're really trying to transition these haircuts. And once that is done, I'm taking my half guard. My lever is open, which technically it makes it a number 1 guard, right? So my half guard open, blending out that clipper open section into my 1 guard open section. And like I said earlier, man, this clipper is having no issue with this fade, right? And I've done multiple haircuts with this clipper. This wasn't the only haircut that I've done. I've done, you know, ball fades with it, like I debulked with it, clipper over comb. And to be honest, man, it's a pretty good, well, let me rephrase. It's actually a really good all-around clipper, right? Like I said, it does well with debulking, does well with fading, does well with, you know, freehanding. You know what I'm saying? Anything you need this clipper to do, it can get the job done. It just really boils down to preference. If you're a TPOB fan, you're gonna like this clipper. And if you're not a TPOB fan, chances are you ain't gonna like the clipper. You know, I'm not with all the politics. I'm just here to try to give y'all, you know, my opinions on these tools and let y'all know what I think about them. So that's what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? That's what I came here to do, and that's what I'm doing. But as you can see, now we're attacking that last section, my clipper open section to the razor section. And I'm just gonna be adjusting my lever, you know, closed little by little, working my way down, using some corner blending, really trying to get this fade to look nice and buttery. And one thing about this clipper too is, man, I really like it for detailing. When clippers have, you know, a little extended lever, which this clipper has, it really helps me when it comes to detailing. And I really like the clicks on this lever as well. Some people don't realize how much clicks make a difference, but when you have like a nice, I don't know what the word would be for it, but when you have like nice smooth clicks and the clicks just feel good, you know, chances are you're gonna work with that clipper a little better when you have like some nice premium clicks. It just makes the clipper feel a little better in hand, makes it feel like it's performing at the best that it can perform. And this clipper has those nice clips, so it really makes it feel like it's a premium price clipper. You know, I don't know what the price is. Y'all may have to check his website, TPOBUSA.com. Remember to use my discount code TANK on that website. But as y'all can see, man, this haircut's coming together. Now I'm just gonna add this lineup in there. And once again, I know y'all probably gonna come at me in the comments because I'm using them saber trimmers, but I've said it in a bunch of my videos, man. The saber trimmers are just my personal favorite trimmers, my #1 trimmer going into 2026. So 9 times out of 10, I'm gonna be using these trimmers. So I'm just putting it out there, man. But if y'all like this video, man, y'all make sure to subscribe one time for the one time. Leave a comment down in the comment section. Let me know what y'all think about this haircut and these tools. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if you got the TPOB Play Mini Clipper. Let me know if you plan on purchasing it. I know they have the TPOB Go that just dropped as well. I got that clipper in a while back. I'll be doing a video soon. So if you're interested in that, make sure to hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe and make sure to put on your post notifications. That way you know every time I drop a video. But now we're moving on, just doing a little more detail work just to clean everything up. But overall, man, TPOB Play Mini Clipper, great tool, great for balding, great for not great for aligning, I'm sorry, great for balding, great for debulking, great for fading, just great all around clipper. Really like using it, like the ergonomics of it. If you're interested in this clipper, TPOBUSA.com, discount code TANK. And that's basically it for this video, man. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.